Welcome everybody, just a further quick interim update on the OGroup project. So I'm now at the stage of having all my infantry painted. These are in companies. I'll zoom in a little bit more in a moment just to show you those, but you've seen these before. I just wanted to really show you that the basing situation has been started. So we've done the Bacchus basing system, the sand grit with PVA glue, light brown wash, and then at the moment 2 layers of dry brushing, 1 top coat to go, and then we will start putting on the flock, any tufts and any extra pimpy bits to make the bases look nice. So here we've got the foo, as will be. We've got a Piat team here. Hopefully you can get a flavour for what I've done here. And then we've got some more Piat teams at the back. We've got the engineer platoon and what will be the recce platoon once I've done the universal carriers. So you'll see on these bases I've used some pieces of cork at this stage. Originally I'd put these on ad hoc bases to represent stones and boulders, but actually having seen how they've come up after the wash, I think they look more like pieces of wood, bark, tree stumps, etc. And I'm probably going to leave them that colour, and I'll show you why in a moment. So that's where we're at the moment in terms of progression with the infantry. They're all painted. I'm just going to show you a couple of bases I finished last night, just to round up the video. So this is the battalion HQ. You'll remember it from the previous videos. So a lot of it is still drying at the moment, but I'll just turn it around so you can get a bit of a better feel there in terms of what's going on. So we've used a bit of pigment around the vehicles just to give some kind of dirt effects on the figures. I'm not sure if they're coming out particularly well there, but we've used some autumn leaves, and we've used autumn flock with some tufts in full mill, and I've also got some clump foliage which I've added on, as you can see there, and parts of the bases, just to add some extra effects as appropriate. So quite pleased with that. This is the battalion mortars stand. So again, similar process has been followed. I'm quite pleased with how the ruins, concrete ruins, have come out with the shell damage, bullet holes, etc. And again, I'll just turn that around so you can see that from the other angle. Again, quite pleased with how that's come out in total. So the only other things I've done then are the HMG units, the Vickers. So again, following the same principles, we've got one there, and we've got another one there, and another one there. So similar basing scheme, and the principle being that if they're all base the same. Let's just put these into one group so you can just see how they look. They should all end up looking something like that once they're finished. That's my plan anyway. So just a quick update, hoping to get the infantry done over the next few weeks or so, time permitting, and then we'll start on the universal carriers, some of the artillery, anti-tank guns, and of course the armour. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick update, and see you again soon.